Hello everyone, how are you? Myself Sanjay Kumar, faculty member at Education World Gurdaspur. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel Education World EW. Thank you. So let us start. Before starting this topic, we have done compound interest, without using the formula. Without using formula. Okay, so today we will do compound interest with using formula. With using formula. Now there may be a confusion between the students that if it in the examination, what formula we use, without or with. So please listen to my words. If it is not prescribed in the question that you have to do with or without or with, then you can adopt any method, either without or with. But if they are specifying you have to use with formula, then only with formula. Okay, so let us start. So it is with using formula. The formula for finding the amount is P. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 power n. Now what are the components for this one? A is the amount, final amount. P is the principal, you are already aware. R is the rate and n is the time. This formula is applicable when n is yearly basis or R, or we can say that R is in per annum. Then for compound interest, again the same thing is there. Compound interest, amount minus principal. So let us start with this formula, then we will know more. So I am going to take one example. Calculate the amount on rupees 7,500. So principal is 7,500. For the time period of it means n is 2 years. And rate they have given us 6%. So let us do amount, principal 7,500, 1 plus R by 100 power 2, because time is given 2. So we will calculate. So when you will take LCM, 100 will be here, that is 106. Now open the bracket. 106. Twice we will write 106 because power is 2. Okay. So now you can calculate 25. 3s are 25, 4. So it will go on 2. It is 53. And it is again 53. So after multiplication you will get 8,427. Now for calculating compound interest, 8,427 minus 7,500. So it will be 927. Okay, so now this is the one time. Now when the rate for the successive years is different, when the rates for successive years are different. Then amount, formula is amount. This is principal. 1 plus R1 for the first year, and if it is given rate is different for so on. So we will write like for every year we will put with multiply. So on. So on means if 4 years it will continue with the same formula. So again we will take one example. Calculate the amount of compound interest on 12,000 in 3 years when rates for interest for successive years are given. So principal is 12,000, time is 3 years, and rates are 10%, 8%, and 15%. Okay, so let us calculate. So our amount formula will become like this: 12,000, 1 plus for the first year 10%, for the second year it is 8%, and for the third year it is 15%. So what we will get, it is 1,2,0,0,0 multiplied by 100 and 110 by 100. This will become 108 after getting LCM. Just add and it will become 115 by 100. So you can do the cutting wherever it is necessary. So 1 0 and 1 0. So here 1 0, here 1 0. So when you will multiply, you will get 16,394 and 40 divided by 100. So it will be, at the end you will get 16,394.40, and for compound interest same, you will subtract. For compound interest we will do same, 16394.40. so starting amount is 12,000. So 4934, it will be 4,394.40. So now up to here we have discussed about only finding the amount as well as if the rate of successive years is different, again finding the amount. Now inverse problems are there. Inverse problems will be there. Inverse problem is, now if I will write the formula, how many variables are there? First variable, second, third, fourth. Now two questions we have done. In that one, these 1, 2 and 3 variables are given. Again they will give you the 3, but now what they will ask about the principal sum. So let us consider one example. What sum of money will amount to? So amount is given 3,630. Time they have given us 2 years, and rate they have given us 10%. So just fill in the formula. So P we have to find 1 plus 10 by 100. So N is 2. So 3630 B, it will be 110 by 100 square. Okay. So 3630. So it will be cross multiply, 200 will be here because here square is there, and 110 and 110. P. So just solve for better understanding. So when we will solve it, it will be 11 1, 11 3, again 11 3, 0. So it will be again 1, 30. So P will be 3000. Is that clear? So let us do one more miscellaneous problem to find the rate percent. To find the rate percent. So when amount will give us at what rate percent compound interest will amount to 2000 amount to. So principal is 2000. It means amount they have given us 2315.25. Now rate we have to find, time they have given us 3 years. Okay, so how we do? Again we will fill amount, principal is given. How much principal is given? It is given 2000. 1. Now rate we have to find and time they have given us. So it is 2315.25 by 2000. 1 plus R by. So after solving, what you will get? 9261 by 8000. So R by. So it will be 21 by 20 cube. Actually, these type of questions are easier than the other questions. Why? We already know that if here it is power 3, it means left side will also a power of 3. If here it is power 2, it means left side will also get the power of 2. Then only then we can compare. So just write comparing basis. So we are going to compare basis. So 21 by 20 minus 1 is equal to R 100. So take out the LCM 20, 21 minus 20 R by 100. So 1 by 20 is equal to R by 100. So cross multiply 100 by 20 R. So it is 5. So R is 5%. So see what we have done till now. We have find amount when other values are given. We have find P when other values are given. Now we have find R when other values are given. Now what is left out? So time. So when these three are given, we have to find the time. So let us do. In how many years rupees 2000 amounts to? So principal is 2000. Amount is 2662 and rate is 10%. So just fill the values. Principal amount is 2662. 1 rate is given 10%. So n we have to find. So it is 2662 by 2000 and it will be 110 after LCM. 100 plus 10, 110, 100 and now this will also give us the hint. It means left side will be the power of 11 by 10. Left side will be the power of 11 by 10. You can cut with 2. You see 1, 3, 3, 1. So this is the cube of 11 and it is the cube of 3. So 11 by 10. Here almost we will closer to the result, because whenever it is the 11 power or 10 power something, it means we are on the nearest position. So 11 by 10, 3, so 11 by 10, and now comparing powers. We are comparing powers. N will be 3 years. Okay, I hope that this is the basic of the formula. When their value they have given us per annum for the rate, and when one of the three values are given and one value we have to find out. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the miscellaneous problems in which more than 2 are missing, like they will provide us amount, rate is not there and principal is not there. So how we will solve that we will discuss in the next lecture, and also we will discuss in the next lecture when it is given the rate of interest semi-annually. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Education World EW. Thank you.